Welcome to the Doosan Fanuc Data Transfer Modernization Field Guide. This operator guide covers PCMCIA troubleshooting and internal USB retrofits for Doosan Fanuc I-Series controllers. The PCMCIA slot on older I-Series controllers often struggles due to two main issues: physical failure from bent pins and digital rigidity with strict card storage limits and file allocation tables. You can choose between Path A, the immediate fix, optimizing PCMCIA for $0 to $30, or Path B, the professional upgrade, installing internal USB emulation kits for $400 to $700. For Path A, the correct setup is critical. Use an industrial compact flash card, 2 GB or smaller, with a PCMCIA adapter, formatted with the FAT file system only. To get the machine to look at the side slot, you must set the I/O channel to 4. This is a common point of failure. Follow the configuration guide shown to set this parameter. For optimal compatibility, format the card on the machine using the system boot format. Hold the two rightmost soft keys while powering ON, then select Memory Card Format from the System Boot menu. Path B is the USB retrofit upgrade. A standard USB drive connects to a retrofit emulator, converting USB to serial data for the Fanuc 232 rupees port. This allows for drip feeding, which is essential for large, complex files. A critical settings shift is required for the USB retrofit. If using the PCMCIA slot, the I/O channel is 4. If using a USB retrofit, the data path changes and the I/O channel must be 0 or 1. Hardware option A is the Calmotion USB-C NCF. This offers a clean panel mount integration with superior drip feed performance, connecting to the internal RS-232. Installation requires drilling and opening the electrical cabinet. Hardware option B is the Shop Floor Automations, or SFA, a versatile alternative. It offers pendant style or panel mount installation and is known for flexible mounting options and excellent technical support for older Fanuc I-Series issues. Comparing the two, USB retrofit offers higher capacity, better reliability, direct drip feed capability, and is a plug-and-play standard. PCMCIA is a temporary fix, while the USB retrofit is a permanent solution. Here is an operator's cheat sheet. Remember, if using PCMCIA, the I/O channel is 4. If using USB retrofit, the I/O channel is 0 or 1. Always check your channel first.